rack for my bike. If you see it like this, because I don't want this one is the shape is like this, you know. So I'm planning to add extra plate on the side so it will hold it flat at all time when I'm on the road. So I'm planning to add extra plate on the side here if I can. Another extra idea, I want to put this one at the back here, so it's gonna be like this at the back. So I'm not sure if they can do this to put some plate, the round circle plate in here, and then put some screw in here, because there's a screw in here. So every time I need to use this one, I just put it in and just screw it on, and that's it. Pull it all the way. I don't know if it's possible or not. Let's go find the welder. I'm so glad I still have my rental scooter. Pengen ubah ini bang. Ini kan di motor saya kan begini. Jadi pas saya taruh tasnya kan begini kan. Pengen nambah di sini.
Tambah gini ya?
Iya. Sama ini juga sih nanti. Ini nanti mau kalau bisa buatin di sini nih, di bawah ini. Buat naruh ini. Di bawah ini kan begini kan. Nanti tinggal taruh di sini ya, taruh baut. Biar bisa dikunci. Tinggal masukin kunci. Iya. Ya.
Sampai jauh ya?
Gak bisa, soalnya yang ini ya deket banget. And after only 2 days, the bracket is ready for pickup. So let's go check it out. Well, I must say, shout out to Bang Komang for this result. The result is very good. It's exactly the way I want it. When the first time I think about the idea, I explained it to him and everything worked very well. The only problem is probably the tube the diameter is a bit bigger than the stick. So I think I need to put some pad around it to fill the gap, just so it's not keep moving and destroy the screw. Other than that, everything is so good. I cannot wait to try out the 360 camera. And this is what it looks like. So the only problem right now is even though I tried so many times, but it's still not locked in. And I don't think I can keep pushing it. This one is destroyed. Iya, iya, silakan Mbak. Iya, jangan lupa loh. Ribet. Siapa? Oh ya, suruh datang. Iya.
Ini langsung ini ke Lombok ini.
Ke Lombok dulu ya.
Sekarang ini.
Oh, enggak. Besok. Ini sekarang lagi percobaan buat tasnya semua.
Oh.
Alright guys, so this is the whole setup for the touring, and my camera backpack is in the back. Let's see what it feels like. Mesti disandarin. It actually looks feels like the exactly same one like my XSR700. Sama motor gue yang di sana. Posisinya. Oh, kasih bang. So I think that's it guys for the touring setup. Oh, I forgot to try out this one actually. Oh, this one is actually worked really well. There you go. So it's gonna hold in here pretty well. I'm not too worried about this one. I just need to put something on the gap because the diameter is bigger than the stick. Other than that, everything is fine. The power is fine, but I didn't try to go any uphill around here. So yeah, I can't wait because I'm leaving tomorrow to Lombok. So I think this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I see you guys on the next one. Peace out.